Hello everyone, I'm Noah from R SAMi and I'm going to show you how to use the mobile app in R SAMi. So here, as you can see, we have the driver's name. Here in my schedule, you can see what days that you have to work. Here, as you can see, it starts from Sunday to Saturday. So here, as you can see, we work on Wednesday. As you can see the standard. Here on a Thursday and here is Saturday. As you can see here, also we have a refresh button. But if there are changes being made, or are made, then it will automatically refresh itself. So here now, if we go to my badge, you can see the identification of the driver and a profile picture, the name, the ID, and the company he works for. Here in timesheet, you can see the time worked today. Here, if you want to have a break, you click here, start break, short break or lunch break. As you can see, it starts counting. Here, the location of the checkout. So here we have the possible locations of checkout. And here, if you want to end the break, click here. And as you can see, it stopped. Here in accident reporting, you can see total accidents for an hour 0. Here, if you want to add an accident, we click on the plus. As you can see, it automatically puts the time and the day. Here it puts the location, Carrera Gambia, El Toro. Here the responsible party, for example, is it first party, third party, or third party absent, and left note. In this case, it's first party. Here, if you want to add an amicable report, click here. You can also take a live picture, or if you already took the picture with your phone and you want to upload it in the app, you can add it here. Here, the insurance document. Here, the police report, if there is one. Also add that. And here, in pictures, for example, we taking a picture of what we have damaged. For example, here on the door. And also, if you want to add an extra picture, you can also add a second one. As you can see, 2 pictures have been added. And if you want to add an audio of you explaining everything, you also can. And now here in third party, what was the third party's first name? For example, Derek Solder. His phone number, for example, let's say 768999443. National ID or passport, for example, 9 and Z. Here, if you want to add a comment, for example, he really hurt his leg. And for example, if you want to explain what happened, you can also write it in the comments, anything you want to add to it. After we are finished with all of it, you can press submit. And here, as you can see, as you can see here in accident reporting, January 2024, Monday, 22nd of January. As you can see here, vehicle 2002 KLM, location Carrera Gran Via, 16 El Toro, ES by Harris Bay. You see that the accident has been added. Now here we can go to my reports. Here we can see our weekly activity. For example, here, only today, you can see the working hours you have worked. the breaks you've had. Here, the total hours worked, total hours for breaks, break excess, for example. Here you can, for example, you can go to last week. For example, this driver is new, so he has nothing here yet, and etc. Here you can go to your monthly report, which means you can see here in total, you can see your legal hours of the month, which now are 61 hours, and extra hours, as you can see, minus 59. Hours worked, none yet. Days worked 1, days of leave 0. You can see the holidays, the sickness, and miscellaneous, etc. As you can see, if you click here, you can go a month back, and you'll see the hours that you worked the month before, the legal hours you had last month, and the extra hours you did. Here you can see the compensation. For example, here January, February, March, etc. You can see the pay date, the hours that have been transferred, and the transfer month, and the hours that have been paid. And here also the overtime, undertime, etc. Here you can see the info. For example, green means compensated, and orange means pending compensation. According to the Courser's collective agreement, the limit for compensation is 4 months. And as you can see here, you can also choose what year. For example, if this driver already worked for you for 3 years, you can, for example, go back to 2021, and you can see here every detail. And here last is the logout button, which is easy. You see now you go back into the login, and you can enter back very easily. Thank you very much. Bye.